Morning, everybody. Today is March 27th. I got one thing going out today on eBay. It's a Ouija board, a vintage one that was probably like in the 1960s. I got from an online auction that I usually mess with. But I had this for about 2 months now, so finally sold. Sold for $27.99 plus shipping. So I think the buyer came out about close to $40 or $40, I guess, including the tax from eBay with them. But I'm on my way now to drop it off. I mean, I already had it packaged up from when I first got it, so it's just been sitting in the box for the last 2 months. So all I had to do was just print out the label, just slap it on, and now I just go ahead and drop it off, go on about my daily business. Yeah, I got more things to do, so I had to kind of lightweight rush out the house. But I have some more stuff online that I'm bidding for, which that's gonna be a few days. But right now, it's the only thing I can resort to as far as getting more things to list. It's these online auctions, which is not too bad though. I mean, it would like to be able to go to a thrift store somewhere and be able to, get the stuff I want right now to be able to list instead of waiting a few days to win the auction and have to go pick it up. But it is what it is. But thank y'all for watching. Be safe out there. Stay tuned for more. Peace. Quick video. What's up, y'all? Today, March 28th. I got a made a sale earlier today. About to get ready to ship out. It's this statue, kind of like Dungeons and Dragons, but it's like a China version. I guess pretty much a knockoff. But I got into one of the online auction sales, and it wasn't what I thought it was. It was my fault anyways, because I should have read the description. I was just bidding on a bunch of things that usually I bid. Well, now I do. I wasn't at the first, but now I just bid the highest of whatever the max I will pay, and I just leave it as that. Somebody go over that, then I just leave it alone. But it kind of disciplines me a little bit when I do that. But anyways, it's I really put a box on it as one. I think I got a clip of it, but the liar part of it is spelled wrong. So pretty much it was a Chinese version of, I guess, some Dungeons and Dragons, which I thought it was something more expensive than it was, but turned out it really wasn't. But I put it on eBay for $20. I think $19.99 plus buyer pay shipping. And somebody sent me an offer for $14, so I just took it, and they paid shipping, and that's what I'm going to ship off today. So I wasn't really expecting that to sell. Actually, I was expecting a couple other things to sell before that, at least. I thought that was going to take a while, but I think it only took maybe a week, I think, if I'm not mistaken, from when I got this. But I'm glad it's out of my hands, so. But here it is. Just gonna print out these labels and ship it off. Thank you.